what is agentic memory? Now, this has been the trending term over the last few months, and simplest way to explain this would be that it's a data store or a data layer that your AI agents can read from and write into. Fairly simple concept, and best way to kind of explain this would be can be this example that consider you have two AI agents, to engage with your potential leads, one on email, another on website. If you did not have a memory, you basically kind of there is no way for you to kind of pass on this information from the email agent to the website agent, that which you would want to kind of implement to retain the context. Now, agentic memory basically solves this problem, and this is a simplistic example. You could still kind of get away by kind of cleverly or orchestrating these two agents, but imagine a system where you have multiple agents, for follow-ups, for support, retention, tons of agents. It would be extremely hard to kind of operate these without having context. And we see these systems like Zapier and N10, which provide agentic orchestration today, but they are what you would call stateless agentic implementations, which basically means they do not have memory. They do not have context. So you cannot expect these automations or these orchestration kind of flows to evolve over time. Versus consider that if you have this data layer in place, your conversations or your kind of engagement, the way the AI agents engage with your customers would kind of continually kind of improve and kind of with better context, more experience, etc. At Zigment, we call this conversation graph, and which basically kind of retains the context of the entire customer's journey, whether from lead stage to kind of the customer becomes a customer, and then during retention and support phases, you have the complete history. And so AI agents, the way they communicate and kind of engage is very different. It's not something that they would engage with these same customers with a fresh memory every time. Hope this helps. Thanks.